everyone, here is the new Leetcode problem which name is the k weakest rows in a matrix, Leetcode 1337 problem. So in this problem we have given a m cross n matrix of 1 is representing the soldiers and 0 is representing the civilians. The soldiers are positioned in front of the civilians, that is all ones appears. A row of I is weaker than the row of j if one of the following is true. Here are two conditions for marking as true. The number of soldiers in row of I is less than the number of soldiers in row of j, and both rows have the same number of soldiers and I is less than j. So let's look the example. We will better understand by using the example. So here is the matrix of n cross n. You can see. So here is the matrix of n cross n. So this is in sorted order like this. The each row of matrix is in sorted order. 1 is coming left side and 0 is coming right side. So here we have given a k equals to 3. So firstly we will find the each row the ones in each row. The one is row 0 equals to 2, then 4, then 1, then 2, then 5. It is like this. Then we will sort this. It is the minimum element of this shoulders are 1, then 2. It is like this. Then we will store the each index of that particular strength of the row of I, and you can see this example also. So let's discuss about the intuition for this problem. So firstly I will do is I will create a vector of pair type. Then I will store the strength of each row, like if the strength of strength means the number of ones, the number of soldiers. So I will store the strength comma index. Then I will sort this vector. Then I will create a loop up to k times. Then I will store the index in another vector. So this is the study to tackle this problem. Firstly I will count the soldiers in each row and then sort rows based on the count and index. Then I will create a min heap, use a heap. I am using the heap to keep track of k weakest rows. As we traverse through the matrix, then I will use binary first because it is in sorted order. So then we can use a binary search. So since each row is sorted, all ones is followed the all zeros, we can use binary search to efficient count the soldiers in each row. Then this is a sorting approach. Then there is a pros and cons for using the problem. Simple and straightforward, and directly uses Python build function to efficiency. So here's the code of Python, and here's the code of Java also. I will write the C++ code for this. So firstly we'll initialize the size of the matrix dot size. Then we will create a vector of pair type that will store the strength of each particular index. So vector of pair of int comma int b. Then I will apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than n, then I plus plus. Then I will find the strength of each particular row. So int strength equals to accumulate of matrix of I dot begin comma matrix of I dot end comma 0. Then I will put the strength and index in vector. Then b dot pushback of strength comma index I. Now what I will do is I will sort this vector so that I can apply a loop, and I will find the minimum index of that particular index. So sort of b dot begin comma b dot end. This is done. Now we will create a loop also for int I equals to 0 to I less than k times, then I plus plus, and before going into loop we will create a vector to initialize the size, and vector int answer. Then now we will put answer dot pushback what should I put in this answer vector. So we have to find the each index of that particular strength, minimum strength. So we'll push b dot second, then finally we will return our answer. So let's run this code. It is working perfect. Oh. This should be this, and now let's run this code again. Answer dot pushback. Oh. This is a vector v dot second I dot second. So now let's run this code again. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. It is working perfect. It's better than the 91.97% of C++ users. That's good. So let's discuss about our time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity will be, in Bot's case, that will be O of n, and we are taking a space of vector, then O of n obviously. So this is a complete solution. You can see the strategy for this solution, and here is a Python and Java code also. You can see this.